My hair slays right now, and your hair should be slaying too. Okay? That's just it. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby if you're new. Today I am going to be sharing with you guys the most exciting news that I've gotten in quite a while. Naturall Club dropped an entire line of products and I can't complain. I really can't complain, because if you're looking at my hair right now, then you understand why I can't complain. Because, honey, okay. This video is going to be sharing all of their products. They have a shampoo, a conditioner. They've always had a deep conditioner. That's where I started. They have a curl custard, a leave-in conditioner, and some avocado oil. I am so excited to be sharing this with you guys. And on top of that, I am so excited that they work. They work. Okay? I'm so happy. So, if you guys would like to see and learn more about these Naturall Club products, please continue to watch this video. But before we get into it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So before I get into telling you guys about how these products worked for my hair, I wanted to share why I love the Naturall Club so much. All of their products are sulfate, paraben, and silicone free. I love the fact that they ensure that the products that they create are not only products that make our hair look good, but they are products that are healthy and safe for our hair and ensures that our hair is continuously growing and flourishing. So let's get into the shampoo. The first thing that I like to know is that the shampoo is a cleansing shampoo. And although it is a cleansing shampoo, it made my hair feel super squeaky clean. But when I washed the shampoo out, my hair didn't feel hard or brittle or like uneasy. You know, it was very soft. My hair felt very fluffy. I felt like the shampoo did its job by cleaning my hair, but it also moisturized it. This is a shampoo that I definitely will be purchasing and using multiple times because I did love how well it cleaned my hair and how soft it left it at the end. Now moving on to the conditioner. So one thing that I really liked about this conditioner was the fact that it was very lightweight on the hair. When I applied it to my hair, I did feel like my hair just drank up the product. I don't know what was going on. I feel like it's the fact that I have color damage at my ends, but I wasn't really able to finger detangle my hair. And when using my Denman brush or my wide tooth comb, it was a little bit difficult to comb through. I don't want to blame this entirely on the product. I think it has a lot to do with the health of my hair, but the conditioner did not work so well for my hair. I will say that after rinsing out the conditioner, my hair felt very soft, but during the process of using it, it just wasn't working for me. I don't know why, but it wasn't working for me. Okay, so this leave-in conditioner was so legit. First and foremost, it was a very lightweight product. I think they aimed for just lightweight products in general with this line. The consistency of the product was very creamy, and you can tell that it was enriched with a lot of oil. When applying it to my hair, it immediately granted me a lot of slip, and like I immediately started seeing shine. Then I went ahead and added some of their avocado oil, which to begin with, avocado oil is just amazing in general. It's good for strengthening the hair and nourishing and protecting the hair from any damage. Oh, and I was using the LOC method to style my hair, which just simply means that I add in a leave-in conditioner for moisture or for hydration. Then the O is for an oil to lock in that moisture in my hair. And then C for the curling product that I use. Guys, this curl custard is amazing, okay? It smelled so great, and it was like a jelly consistency. Like at first I thought maybe this is not going to give me such a great hold like I want to, but my God, it's like you have no idea. I placed this in my hair and I had so much slip. Like this product just went right into my hair and immediately started defining all of my curls. It's honestly my favorite product out of this entire line. I I did go ahead and add some of my Jamaican black castor and flaxseed eco styler gel just because I live in a very humid and hot area, which causes my hair to frizz up and lose its definition right away. But at the end, like once I put this product in, I did feel like I didn't need the gel. Like I think if I would have used the product by itself, it would have done the job. Once I finished placing all of my products all over my hair, these were my amazing results. I think if you're aiming for like a really nice defined wet look, and like if you need something in the morning just for a quick wash and go, this product line is what you need. And since you did make it to the end of this video, I wanted to give you the opportunity to be able to win this entire line of products. All you have to do is comment below with what product you're most excited for, be subscribed to my channel, and click that link in the description box below that lets you fill out a form that includes your name and your email address. That's it. That's literally it. I'm feeling so jolly this holiday season, and I want you to be able to try these products because they are so good. And even if you don't get the opportunity to win the product line with this giveaway, you can always go to the Naturall Club website and order their full avocado collection using my discount code, which grants you 10% off your entire order. As always, thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.